The fashion designer, there are some tools we cannot do without, and one of them is Stybit. So to get the Stybit app, click on the comment section of any of my video. So I'll just go to comment here, and you're going to see the link on the top. You can see download the Stybit app. So use this link. I'm not going to use the link because I have Stybit already. So I'll just take you to Stybit and show you what Stybit is. This is Stybit. So this is the Stybit app. What Stybit does with Stybit, you can save measurements on your device. You don't have to do pen and paper. So you can just click on this new customer button here. Then once you click on the new customer button, first you're going to see name. You can put the customer's name, and you're going to see phone number. You input the phone number, you indicate that the phone number is on WhatsApp. You can also decide to save measurements on inches or centimeter. So here, let me select centimeter. You can save measurements. You can add a new customer, a male customer also. So this is for a male customer, but let's go back to female customer. So you can see here it's written upper body measurements. We have all the upper body measurements here. So you just input the body measurements, and from here are the lower body measurements. So from this side you have the lower body measurements, and you can also add the customer's picture if you have a picture. So that is one of the things you can do with Stybit. So you can also save order on Stybit. Just click on this new order button here, select the customer who placed the order, put the number of items ordered, the date collected, the date, and then the due date, the date you're expected to deliver, then order summary, detailed description. You have transaction value here, which is the amount. Then payment status, is it unpaid, partially paid, or fully paid? So we also have order status, which here we have recently booked, processing, ready, or delivered. So even if you have delivered the order, you can still come back to Stybit to keep record so that you can know what your revenue is like. So after that, you can click on save. You can also send invoice to your customer just by clicking on this new invoice button here. Going to select the customer, then follow the prompt, save the order and save the invoice, and share it to your customer. With Stybit, you can also see if you have any pending payment. You can also see if there is any order that is about to overdue. So just go to the comment section, click on the link, and download Stybit today.